Kaizer Chiefs are trying to sign Ulangelihle Phili, kodwa ke it looks like it's not going to be easy to get him to Naturena because Stellenbosch want 16 million rand for their player, and they are not playing around. Kaizer Chiefs offered something to Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch rejected that deal. George Matlow has been let go. I think we have to say something about him. I hope Umjeda is going to have a great season, or a great career wherever he's going. At Naturena, it did not work out. 4 seasons, but he never played. Like, there was no season where he played a full season without being injured. It's unfortunate. Hopefully Umjeda will have a good career wherever he's going. Let's asivalen leyo sibuyeni kuLangelihle Phili. Gents, Stellenbosch City sifuna 16 million rand. 16 million rand for their winger. He's 21. I think he's gonna turn 22 this year. 21. They are not playing around. But Kaizer Chiefs offered a deal that included Ashley Dupreez and also George Matlow, lo ahambayo. I think Stellenbosch are not yo, I don't even know what to say, gents. Stellenbosch, I don't want to say they are not being fair, because Langelihle Phili is a youngster, only 21 years old. Usengasuka nje i-team yaphesheya izomthenga ngemali ephawu 25 million rand or 20 million rand. So this is why they are pricing him at least at 16 million rand, because they know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, if they were to sign Ulangelihle Phili, maybe after playing a season or 2, they could still sell him ngemali enkulu Kaizer Chiefs. So they don't want to let him go just like that. I do understand them. I do understand where they come from. What I want to know from you, gents, is do you guys think Kaizer Chiefs should pay this money, 16 million rand? 16 million rand for one player. Yes, Kaizer Chiefs are going to be getting money from Aiden McCarthy, and also Cross is at the national team playing, even though he's not playing. But Kaizer Chiefs are guaranteed imali from the World Cup, from Bafana Bafana, as one of their players was selected. So we are getting money from Aiden McCarthy's deal and also a World Cup. So should we use some of the money to buy this one guy, Langelihle Phili? But guys, we have to look at the players that we have in that position, left wing position. We have Ashley Dupreez, Mangambali, Lelepo, Velepai, who else? Pulemode, I think we're gonna let him go. Who's this guy? Sereno, we know he's leaving. Who else? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, gents. Now who are our left wingers? Wandile Duba, I can't count him as a left winger, because Utandu Gzala on the right wing and also as a striker. I would like to count him as a striker too. Okay, he can play on either wings, because you guys know he's talented. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Should we break the bank? That's the question I have for you guys. Should we break the bank for Ulangelihle Phili? Yes, he's a good player in my opinion. 16 million rand is a lot of money, and I just don't see the Mutawungs paying 16 million rand for one player. Let me know your thoughts in the comments though. Like the video, subscribe to the channel.